Hey guys, this is Megan with 1000 Generation Farms. Today we are actually taking down an old greenhouse that we have kind of sitting near, well, on our property. And so I'm going to kind of take you through what we're doing. Not sure if we'll get the whole thing done today, but we'll see. Won't you come farming with us? So first what we're doing, there's ropes that kind of tie it to the ground here. We're cutting the ropes. This cover is not great at all, so it's hard to take off. So we actually got the loader tractor. We're gonna just pile some junk and bricks in there that's inside the greenhouse, and then take it either to the burn pile or the brick pile or whatever. And this is the whole greenhouse here we got. I think they got this whole side actually cut off, so that's good. That wasn't too hard, but look at all that stuff in there. It's been overgrown for a few years, probably 10 years. I'm gonna fold it up, probably just trash it. Boom. That's about all. Yeah, good. Getting it cleaned out now. So we got this first, not sure what you would call this, pipe off. Working on that bottom one. We are saving the actual like frame of the greenhouse. No. You'll get your royalties in the mail. Okay, come on. So we got the whole frame down. There's this little shack looking part here, and I'm actually taking screws out of the sides. So getting closer. So now what they're doing is basically cutting this frame apart. I thought maybe they'd knock it down with the tractor, but I don't know if it works that great. And we are carrying the frame of the greenhouse over to a place where we can store it. But we have all this stuff we still need to kind of divvy out. So everyone's gone. We're just slowly. So we got like some branches in there we're gonna take to like a burn pile. We're still kind of slowly just picking some stuff up so the yard isn't just cluttered with junk. But we have a whole bunch of lumber over there we need to move. So fourth pull, all done. We rolled one tire. Now we got a little smarter. Joseph did. Well, he was always that smart.